My name is O'Darlin.
And my name is Jackie.
And today we're gonna have so much fun.
We're gonna do circle time, story time, and some fun activities. Are you excited?
I sure am.
Are you excited?
I think they are.
Are you guys ready to go? Let's go! Hello friends, I'm Miss Ashley and this is gonna be my helper today, Miss Paulina.
Hi friends, how are you?
And today we're gonna see what happens when you put vinegar and baking soda. What you need for today is vinegar, baking soda. If you want to change the color of the baking soda, you can purchase food coloring. This is optional. And then if you would like, you can have an eyedropper just to mix it, or you can all easily just pour it in. So first, we're gonna add some food coloring.
Can I do it? Can I do it?
Of course. Food coloring. What color is that?
Is that red?
Yeah.
How many drops?
4 drops.
1,
2, 3, 4. That's it. Next, we're gonna put the top on, and we're gonna shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. You wanna shake? Shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Oh, okay.
Awesome. What color is it now?
Red.
It's red.
Wow.
Now we're gonna open up the top and be very careful, friends.
Why? Why, Miss Ashley?
Well, we don't know what the reaction's gonna be.
What do we have to do now?
So now we need to put the vinegar inside the baking soda. Do you want to use the eyedrop and pick up the vinegar?
Oh, let me see. I'm so scared.
Don't be
Doesn't
scared. Look.
Is that fine?
Yeah, that's perfect. You want to hold this down and let's be very careful. Are you ready, my friends?
Look, Miss Ashley, look.
What's happening? What is that? Are those bubbles?
Can I add more?
Add more, add as many as you'd like. Let's see how big they can get.
I think I need to put everything. Miss Ashley, look what you did. Uh-oh,
My
you're
friends,
gonna
be
get
very
it.
careful. You have to be very careful, my friends. Now make sure we also have napkins to clean up our mess just in case the explosion is just a little too big.
I'm always ready.
And this is what happens when you mix baking soda and vinegar. You get so much bubbles and it comes all the way up. Did you have fun? I know I did. Miss Paulina, did you have fun?
Yes, I did have fun.
See you next time, friends. Bye.
That was fun. Did you guys have fun?
Awesome, because I know I did.
If you guys want to have more fun with our Smart Start teachers, please come back tomorrow.
And make sure that you like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.